Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro active, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your watch. Okay, so once you are after the setup process, we can begin the customization process. Let's begin with changing up the watch face. To do it, we need to simply hold on our screen, and as you take a look, now the menu appears. Now, when we go from the left side, we have the list of possible watch face that we can set. When it comes to each one of them, above we can see the power level, how much battery it's going to consume, and also under each watch face we have the custom button, so we can change, for example, the color of each watch face. For example, let's select maybe this one. Now let's click on custom. Okay, and now we can see above what we are currently changing. Currently we are changing the style. To do it, simply hold and use your crown. When it comes to this watch face, we have only two styles. As we go to the right side, we can change the time. It's the clock style, as we take a look. Also, we can change the color. We have this list. Alright, and the last thing is the function. If you tap on the screen, in here we have a list of things that we can set into our watch face. Alright, everything of course depends on which watch face you are customizing, because for example in this one, when we click on custom, it's going to look in a different way. Also, we have a possibility to add our own custom watch face. To do it, go to the left side all the way, click right in here. If you are doing it for the first time, you will see like a gallery app. In my case, I need to click on the custom, and now we need to scan this QR code with the health app. You had to download this app on your phone if you wanted to use the watch. Let me show you what to do then. Go into devices right in here, and now if you are connected to your watch, you can click on My Faces. Okay, currently we have the one from the gallery. If you want to add your own photo, click on gallery. Now click on the plus button right in here. You can take a photo or select an image. I'll select the second option, and now as you can see, my gallery appeared, and I can pick a photo from here to use as a watch face. So for example, let's select I don't know what actually, anything, maybe this logo. Alright, now we need to position it. Now click the button on the right side to save. Down below we can select the color, we can select the style, we can select the font, the time position, bottom, center, or the top. Everything of course depends from your font of your clock. We can also select the time color. Down below we have features for the data. We can add, for example, the dual time, and for example let's add the weather. Alright, in here we have a preview how it's going to look like. Alright, now we can click on save. It's transferring the image currently. Let's just take a look. I'll place my phone on the desk so you'll be able to see how it's going to look like, but first we need to wait until the photo is transferred. Okay, and as you take a look, it has been successfully set. We have a new watch face set. It looks really, really cool. Also, if you want, you can also download or buy new watch faces from the gallery right in here. To do it, if you go again into the app, click on watch faces and click on more. And in here you have a whole list of watch faces that you can download or buy. Some of them require a payment, so you just need to be aware of that, but some of them are completely for free. For example, this one I think is for free. We can click on that. Oh, it's only for the VIPs, so my bad. Maybe I'll even find something for free. I don't know. Maybe this one. Unfortunately not. But of course, if you want, you can buy some things right in here, some watch faces. But in my opinion, for example, this possibility to customize each watch face which is already installed on our watch is really cool function, and even possibility to add your own photo from your gallery is like the best thing. Alright, now when it comes to other customization things, we can open up the settings on our device, and we can, for example, set a pin. All you need to do is to click on set pin. Now type your code. It needs to have 6 characters, 6 numbers. Now I need to re-enter the pin to save it. Okay, pin verification. Now we need to select for which thing we want to use it. For payment, app or device unlock. For now I'll set it into the device unlock. And now I will turn off the screen. Let's wait a few seconds until it turns off. But I think I have, oh, okay. Now, when I want to launch it, it says enter the pin, and only now it will work. Alright, another cool thing that we can customize is, for example, the down button. Thanks to that, we'll be able to get access into the into features that we will set for this. The down button is right in here when I'm pointing, and we can select the action, what will happen when we'll press once and what will happen when we press twice. When it comes to the double press, in here we'll be able to use simply the payment app. In my case, currently I don't have anything, but if you have something, it should appear right in here. And now when it comes to press once, we can select which app will launch. So for example, we can select that the flashlight will launch. That's my favorite shortcut. Alright, and now as you will take a look, I'll tap. In here you have a tutorial how it works. And now the flashlight started working. Pretty cool thing. Also, when it comes to the flashlight itself, we can also customize it. When the flashlight is on, we can use the crown to adjust the brightness. Okay, and we can also change the color of our flashlight. To do it, slide to the upside, click on the color, and in here you have a list of colors that you can use. Or you can always click on the last icon and manually select the color. Then click on save, and now in my case we have purple or pink. Pretty cool thing. Also, we can enable the flash mode, slow or fast. I'll show the fast mode. Now our flashlight is simply flashing. I'll select none, and I'll get back into white color. Alright. Now let's go into the settings once again. Of course, if you click on watch face, you can click on display task statuses, and you can enable the device status or the tasks in progress. Okay, When you click on the home, you can select your display mode for the apps. Currently we have the hex grid. It looks like that. That's the hex grid. Also, if you don't see the names, don't worry. Simply go to the app side, and in here we have a possibility to show app names or hide them. It's up to you. That's also how the hex grid works, and you can change into the list down below, right in here, and it will look like that. You just need to simply select which mode you like more. So you'll be able to adjust everything into your own preferences. I'll get back, in my opinion, to be honest, into hex grid. I'll go into watch face and home. Also, we have the cards. To get access into the cards when you are on your watch face, on the main page, simply slide to the right side, and in here we have all of our cards, the most unnecessary things. If you have something in here that you, for example, don't like or you don't need all of this data, you can of course delete it. To do it, open up the settings, watch face and home, and go into cards. If you want, you can even completely turn them off, or you can manage them. Simply click on manage cards. In here you have a tutorial how to use it, and let's say that I'm not using this mode, so I can easily remove it or slide to the upside and then click on remove. Or for example, I like this one and I would like to custom it, so simply click on custom, and in here you can select which apps will be displayed on this card. Also above we have the plus button, and we can add manually our own new card. Alright, when it comes to the display and brightness, you can enable the always on display mode, thanks to that you'll be able to see the hour all the time, but remember that it consumes more battery, and you can enable and adjust the brightness into your own preferences. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.